Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Before we enjoy this meal, I want you guys to know that this is the last meal. Because one on the fool are gonna sell me out, you know. Is it Peter?
Is my name you calling there? Let me tell you something. Don't care me and you quarreling not telling you one thing. I don't selling you, I don't doing that. Look how much time you give me Clark Scott and fish and bread.
Bartholomew.
Oh. No way, man. I'm not going to do that to you, man. You give me donkey, man. I take the donkey. I make taxi with the donkey, man. I'm not going to do that to you, man.
John.
Cheese on bread, boy. I know you was going to call my name, you know. You ain't say I got the same hairstyle as you, man. I idolize you, man. I passionate about the Christ. You need to check Matthew.
Matthew.
Oh, skies this man. Take your eyes and pass me. He's a loyal soldier, buddy. Me in there ponder with them. You understand what I tell you? You need to check Thomas. You see this man, he's in your girl all the time, like that. Them man pagly, them man, you know, use the savior Scott. I mean to say Scott. Sorry.
Thomas.
Hey, watch that. I feel all out of time, you know. Let me tell you something. Don't call up my name and shut it. You see, Solia dead? We jamming still. Because Solia waking back up in 3 days. All you know what time it is here? What you going on for?
Where is Judas?
Judas went to the bathroom, but I told you not to bring all these waste mans around you, you know. But you don't listen, eh? I'm telling all of you right now, Jesus is my dog. Anything happens, we're turning it up. I'm telling you right now, we're going to turn it up on all of you. I'm telling you, mans are some waste mans, eh?
Anybody seen Judas?
Dog, me no business, a Judas my name, I want to know. Suppose you see the man play, full of gravy, I'm alone of gravy. Come slap him with dog.
I've been down so long, you look like love to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me, straight up to my face.
Watch out now, watch out. Me tell you say you no good enough, watch out. Goal, watch out.
No way,
goal.
bro.
Goal!
Fuck! That's bullshit, bro.
Me tell you say you no good enough, B.
God damn fucking
Shit. Man, I'm coming.
Me cook some curry goat, it's not much, but me can share a little game if you want.
Alright. Yeah, you want food?
Dude, your mom's cooking goat, bro?
Goat, yeah. Curry goat.
How fucking disgusting is that, bro? Who eats goat, bro? No, I'm good on the goat, bro. No one wants goat. What's up with the rump roast, man? What about the shepherd's pie, bro? Come on. What about the brisket, bro? Fucking goat? Come on.
Rump roast. Nah, we don't eat rump roast in this house, man. We talking about rump roast.
Tell your mom we're playing the game, bro. Put the food in the microwaves, bro. That's why they got microwaves. Come on.
Oh, no, yeah, sir. Lock off that game there and come eat your food now. No, we turn off the game right now. You want the game from there? No, it was almost over. We just gonna...
You don't talk for your rights, bro. I swear, man. It's bullshit. You're playing a game, bro. When you're ready to eat, you can go and eat, bro.
Lily boy, nobody come tell me nothing now. I'm my house, you know.
Stop, Miss Gordon.
You don't know what's going over the white people yard, but you see, you know, so when me talk, people move. Yo, just chill, man. I'm turn the game. Just turn the game off, bro. This not your house. I tell you that.
Can I say something?
Just shut up, man. Timothy, let me tell you something. Me not up for negotiation. You hear me? I tell you.
Come on, man. This is bullshit, bro.
Man, this guy is high, man.
Total bullshit.
Feel bread butter pan 2 sides.
Why would you tell your mom I'm high, bro? I'm not high, bro. I had some Oxycontin like two hours ago. I'm not high anymore, bro. Come on, stop it, bro.
Look a road, look a white boy, you see?
Your mom is out of control, bro. I swear to God, your mom is out of control. And if it was me, I swear to God, if you were my mom, I would give you a fresh one right across your fucking jaw.
Would I love to see you try that? Try that. Talk to your fella. Talk to your fella. I'm kill that boy in here, you know. And that matter, you see, and them people there make you want to go to prison. And them people that make Donald Trump want to get rid of it because he must try exercise. Try that, Timothy. Try that.
Get her off of me, man. This is bullshit. Oh my God. Stop it, bro. Oh my God, bro. This is tough. Stop. Get her off of me, bro. Oh my God. Get her off of me, bro.
Listen to people.
Let me get a bacon, egg, and cheese.
Bacon, egg, and cheese. Hagale. 375.
Oh, let me get 2 Lucy's too, yo.
Lucy?
Halag skala or halag
Ham hagale skale. Walag salagi. Hagaskagli. We don't sell Lucy.
Come on, man. Tell Ak I was here yesterday.
We don't have Lucy.
I bought the front door yesterday with the Doritos. You forgot?
Ham skale. Ham ala salo. Ham de hagam skale.
Wow, man. Let me get 2 Lucy's, man.
Ham bala skale. Yang skale.
Wow, hagale.
I'm here.
Ak, you don't know me now?
No have.
Ak, now you don't know me. That's
Go.
crazy, boy.
Take
Yo,
your
give me
money,
that
go.
boy.
Take your money, go.
Hold on now. Oh, I'm done. Yeah, daddy. What's going on? Well, how Trinidad, boy?
Oh, Trinidad, nice boy.
Yeah.
Will you wait now?
Yeah, boy. Yeah, man, going up Baracas and thing, get some dick and shark and thing now. Yeah, boy, you should have real me kid, boy. Yeah, boy, bills and thing now, so you know. I was the rock back now. Next year, though. Yeah, I know. What you going on? I kind of run. Huh? I kind of run out of some money and thing now. I was wondering if you could say... Hello? Fucking going off for? Hello? You're in Trinidad and you're broken. We get cut off, boy. You're broken and you're in Trinidad. What the fuck you calling my phone about borrow money? Boy. Voicemail, Jed. Dan, call me back now. Voice fucking mail. With the mother out there. I don't understand them fellas and them, you know.
I know your parents have money. Mr. Pierre, I have your son and I need $600,000 in ransom.
Oh, I only have $100, man. I can give you 80. You leave me with 20, okay?
I'm not negotiating.
Okay, my friend, I cannot do nothing, but tell Claude I'm going to beat him because he give you my number.
What is your mother's name?
Miss Gloria.
Miss Gloria, I have your son here, and if you don't pay me $300,000, I'll kill him.
What? Oh, let's stop playing on my kiss me ass phone, you know. Kill on, I tell you hoes on them outside to stop playing on my phone. I'll make a jail for one of them.
Shut up! Yeah, hello, I have your son here.
My son, I want him get locked up.
No, I kidnapped him. And if I don't get $500,000 by the morning, I'm going to kill him.
500 or US? Mama say goodbye to him. Come in have that.
West Indian people be heartless in this weather.
Hi, you order Teddy Poo?
Yeah, how much fee?
Ah, so cool. I come inside.
Nah, man, for come track snow to my place, call them, how much fee?
Ah, 27.50.
Eh.
You give dollar tea, bagwell.
You're lucky you get $1. Go ahead, man. When Jamaican parents don't know the answers to that homework either. Mama, tell me the answer for this question, because I don't know it.
I work at school. Me are you? Me graduate already now. What the question?
What percentage of Earth is covered by water?
Whole heap of water. Put right whole heap.
I can't write that. When a West Indian woman is fed up.
Here's a pen and a paper. We're going to need a statement on why you want us to lock him up, okay?
Officer, I don't want to write no statement. Just put for spite.
We can't lock him up for spite.
He does get drunk and want to come and beat up my nanny.
Okay, we'll lock him up for vaginal assault.
By get out and offer the fucking cow some fresh grass, buddy. Go along. This fucking thing gonna kick me, by. He not gonna kick you. Come, cow. Come for some goat, some fresh grass. You want wheat grass? You like wheat grass? Come. Bite, move. Get your skunt in the fucking car. Go in the car. You got it in the back here with me. Get your skunt. Just pull the man, by. And let me go along before the man come out for your fucking cow. Push his skunt. Get your skunt. Yeah, he fit. Let me go along.
That's it. That's what, please. ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy, Can You Crack? Peace.